Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Díaz Rosales. My dialogue. Hello, welcome to Airbus. I am the coordinator for New Talent. It is great to meet you. Please sit down. Hello, thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm very happy to be here. Great, let's start. Tell me what is your profession and where did you work before? I am Angel and I work for a big technology company. My look there was exciting but sometimes very demanding. Interesting and what activities did you do in that company? I design new projects and repair complex machines. I always work carefully to avoid mistakes and manage the platform perfect. Excellent robots y having corporates what do want to work with us. I own two young robots because I solve problems quickly and I learn constantly. I can organize things easily and plan every everything. Excellent. I need people who communicate effectively and work hard. Do you speak other language? Let's I speak English well, but I practice every day because sometimes I speak slow. Don't worry, that is fine. You have great skills for this job. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you, teacher.